Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily register with Honeybook. Before we start, if you want to create your own account, I got a discount 20% off from your first year that you would be in a Honeybook. So if you want, you can get it down below in the description or a comment. So get it now. Here, when you're gonna click on the link, you will get right here to start a free trial. Then you just have to wait until it loads. And then create a free account. So full name, I'm going to add a full name here. I'm going to press, how did you hear about Honeybook? Let's say Facebook. Next here, business name and company type here. Business consulting, let's say. Now you're gonna add a business email. So I'll just add it right here. Give me a second. And then you're gonna add a phone number. And then you're gonna create a free account. So installing constant contract templates, etc. And voila. Now what you need help with, let's say growing my revenue. And you would fill all these questions here. What do you want to use? For what do you want to use it? And then you can start using it. And that's pretty much it. How you're gonna use it. So thank you very much. You can always see the pricing here. And yeah, so this is how you can create an account with Honeybook, and you're good to go. Have a great day and goodbye.